The first chart presents EURGBP. Currently, the immediate resistance is near 0.84293, while the immediate support level are around 0.83520 and 0.83243. Give the price action, this level looks favorable for potential sellers. A pullback entry is also an option with a stop loss placed above 0.84293. As for our target, we are looking at 0.83520 and 0.83243. The second chart presents Euro USD. Currently, the immediate resistance is near 1.09591, while the immediate support level are around 1.06288 and 1.07553. Give the price action, this level looks favorable for potential sellers. A pullback entry is also an option. Stop loss placed above 1.09591. As for our target, we are looking at 1.06288 and 1.07553. Our third chart presents UT100. Currently, the immediate resistance is near 90,943.8 and 20,259.7, while the immediate support level are around 90,356.8. Give the price action, this level looks favorable for potential buyers. A pullback entry is also an option with a stop loss placed below 90,356.8. As for our target, we are looking at 90,943.8 and 20,259.7. Our fourth chart presents XAU USD. Currently, the immediate resistance is near 3,057.52 and 3,038.13, while the immediate support level are around 2,994.95. Give the price action, this level looks favorable for potential buyers. A pullback entry is also an option. Stop loss placed below 2,994.95. As for our target, we are looking at 3,057.52 and 3,038.13. Our last chart presents US oil. Currently, the immediate resistance is near 71.4813 and 69.5309, while the immediate support level are around 66.1655. Give the price action, this level looks favorable for potential buyers. A pullback entry is also an option with a stop loss placed below 66.1655. As for our target, we are looking at 71.4813 and 69.5309.